Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue, and in today's video, I'll show you how to add sounds to Ableton Live 12 step by step. Whether you're working with audio samples, MIDI tracks, or full sample packs, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful music production tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. To load a sound into Ableton Live, the easiest method is drag and drop. Start by finding the sample you want to use on your computer. For example, I'll simply drag it into the Ableton interface and drop it onto an audio track. And just like that, the sample is ready to use. Step 2. Now if you're working with multiple samples or an entire sample pack, it's helpful to make those samples easily accessible in the Places section of Ableton. To do this, click on Add Folder in the Places section. Then locate the folder containing your sample pack on your computer. For example, I'll select this folder, hit Select, and you'll see it pop up in the Places section. Step 3. From here, you can browse your samples directly in Ableton without needing to switch back and forth between windows. Simply drag and drop the desired samples onto an audio or MIDI track as needed, just like before. And that's it. Now you know how to add sounds and sample packs to Ableton Live 12, step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.